I guess if I parked in New York, I'd have a 0.7 mile walk. But since I parked in Massachusetts, I have a 0.3 mile walk. But also, my car is in Massachusetts and my place we're staying is in New York. What a fun little life I live. The Massachusetts hike, it's all uphill. When I came from the Massachusetts parking lot, and of course that was all downhill. And I realized to go back, I gotta go all uphill. It's good, I might be 56, but I'm a good 56. I got my hiking sandals on, have my new invigorated heart, and I have a song in my mind and joy in my heart. Like it, hate it. What's next?